Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the exact strategy which I use to perform keyword research to write high SEO and optimized content for my blog or website for higher ranking. I'm going to be sharing with you the tool or AI tool which I use to perform this keyword research, as well as the exact step I did to create high optimized content for my blog or website for higher ranking. So without wasting any much time, the first step I did was to make sure that I came to a website called Junior. It looks like this from the front end, and with this tool, I was able to generate high-ranking content in minutes. This tool also have a content keyword research tool, which I will share with you exactly what I did to find the best keyword to write content for my blog and website for higher ranking. Going to this particular tool, I made sure that I came to this area to create an account by getting started. Also, you can see that this tool have an AI writer, image generator, as well as an auto SEO research tool, which helped me and create content which I use for ranking. So once I created an account with this tool, I went ahead to make sure that I logged in and I was taken to a dashboard that looks like this. Within this dashboard, the first step I did was to make sure that in the dashboard section, as you can see here, in the quick overview area, I came to this area that says Keyword Explorer. In the Keyword Explorer, I make sure that I clicked on it and I was taken to a page that looks like this. Inside of this page, the first step I did was to come here to enter a particular topic or title or keyword based on the topic idea. As an example, I came here and entered the keyword how to lose weight fast and make sure that I came to this area that says search and click on it directly. Once I click on search, you can see that by default, the country is United States and keyword will be displayed to me like this based on the country. Now you can see that based on the volume and competition, the keyword were displayed to me based on this idea. You can see how to lose weight fast as the first keyword here. It has a medium competition. You can see the search volume here is 823,000 and the cost per click is 1.03. Using this strategy, I was able to find the best keyword based on the content I want to write about. And knowing that the search volume of every given keyword based on the competition and the search volume will give you an idea if this particular keyword you want to target is going to be a good one or not. You want to make sure that based on the keyword ideas on competition given to you, you either want to go for medium or low keyword competition so that you can rank easily based on competition. Now, what I did to find the best ideas and write blog posts based on the idea I've chosen, I made sure that I went ahead to find some related topics or keyword ideas based on the display result on low competition but high search term volume. As an example here, if you see this particular one here, it is low and it is how to lose belly fat in a week or in 1 week as an example. Now, since I already know that competition here is low, what I did was to make sure that I copy this particular keyword as you can see here and now open a particular notepad by coming here and now make sure that I open my notepad and paste the keyword inside of my notepad. You can also copy this section of this area and come here to copy, then paste it inside of your keyword file you have inserted. It is going to give you an idea that it is low and the search volume is 49,500. You want to find similar keyword like this based on how to lose belly fat in 1 week, coming back here and looking for related content that concern 1 week in it. As an example here, you can see in a week, you can see the search volume also is high and you can see here is also in a week, which is also 1 week. You want to make sure that you go ahead to also copy this particular one since it is related to this first one which we have actually copied, and you want to go ahead to make sure that you come back inside of the tool to see how you can copy this other section here by copying it like this and coming to your notepad and also insert it there. You want to make sure that you repeat this same step to find at least 5 different keyword ideas you want to write content around. Once you have gotten 5 of them, then now it's time to proceed to the next step. In the next step, what I did was to make sure that I copied one of it having the highest search volume, as you can see here. Since all of them are low, I just made sure I went ahead to copy the highest search volume among all of the related keywords. Once I did that, I came back inside of this tool and made sure that I closed the Explorer. Now, the next step is I came to this area that says AI Article Writer and click on it directly. Once I clicked on it, now I came to this area that says topic and inserted that particular topic, how to lose belly fat in 1 week. In the keyword research area, what I did now is I went ahead to make sure that I placed my keyword inside there, and I came back to my notepad and made sure that I copy the next. As you can see here, I copied the next and came inside of this keyword area and inserted and press enter button, and it's going to display like this. You want to make sure that you put all of the keyword, 5 of them which you have selected, inside of your notepad. Once that has been done, you want to come to this area that says headline and make sure that in the headline area you still insert the same like this, how to lose 10 pounds in a week. But you want to make sure that you insert this first one that is here. Copy it and come back here and make sure to insert it there. And now in this area, what I did to see what my competitor were doing is to come to this area and set analyze. Now you can see that once I click on analyze, you are going to see that I was able to see my competitor who are writing on the same topic like me. You can see based on the SEO score they have, you can see 40, 40, 40. And I want to make sure that I went ahead to create something which is better than these competitors who are here. And to do that, what I did was to come to this area here that says next to create my own content. Now, once you logged in, I first of all made sure I went ahead to generate my outline by coming here to this button that says next and click on it directly. Once I clicked on it, what happened is my outline where, as you can see here, this particular display result were shown to me. And now, once it was shown to me like this, what I did, they asked me to add additional instruction, what I want to add as an additional instruction. But if you have nothing, just leave it like this without inserting anything inside of the box, and just come here and try to screw along this area to tell this tool how many keyword count you want it to write about. If you want 2000 word count, then you want to make sure that you use this area. Once you have filtered and come here to decide what content count you want to put it as maximum as an example. Then come here and make sure to come to generate outline and click to generate outline. Once you click on generated outline, you are going to see that the outline will be generating. And this tool will still go ahead to conduct some keyword research and using real-time internet data to enhance my blog outline so that I can create the best content for higher ranking. And once my outline were created, as you can see here, the next thing I came across here was to make sure that I leave it like this by default. But you can still come to each and every one of these arrow button and decide what word count you want by shifting this particular cursor to the right or to the left to either reduce or increase it. Now you want to make sure that you go to each and every one of them, but if not, then leave it like this by default and just come to this area that says generate. And you can see based on the different word count which I've decided based on each and every one of these heading, as you can see here, the number of word count I want will also change this amount here. You can see that here my total word count is 3,100 words. And now I came here to this area that says generate and click on generate. And once I did so, the best amazing content was created. And I went ahead to make sure that I edited the content to correct some grammar mistakes and see how I can humanize the content by using some AI humanizing tool to transform it from AI content to human content so that I can use it to create my own blog post inside of my website. And doing so, I had the highest ranking based on any topic which I create. If you want to know how to humanize your content, then you want to make sure to come to your search like this and search for the key term AI Content Humanizer and click on search. You're going to see a lot of AI you can use. Then make sure to transform the content from AI form to human form before creating your post. Doing so, you are going to have the best performing content, an easy way to see your competitor, finding the best keyword and writing the best blog post for higher ranking. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for upcoming tutorials. And see you again in the next episode. Bye-bye.